Here's a look at the original iPhone 8GB versus the, at time of recording, current iPhone 15. As you can see, just the boxes alone have quite a difference with the original iPhone proclaiming the 8GB, and other than that, fairly minimalistic, as is the more modern variant. This is an iPhone 15, just the normal one. So already you can see fatter box and very different product illustrated on the front there. So if we open them up, so here we have the original iPhone. Obviously this is quite old, been around the block a few times. 8GB storage, not RAM storage. So yeah, here we see we still had the ringer all the way back then, volume rocker up and down there, speaker grills, microphones and such, and well, probably microphone. The is it a 30 pin connector? Then nothing on that side, power button on the top, SIM tray on the top. Looks like this one's had a bit of a drop. Ouch. Yeah, so obviously this phone's been around since 2007. This phone, the manufacturing date was August 2023. I looked it up in the settings. Obviously these have already been opened, clearly. So yeah, this one, we didn't look at the camera on this one, so the camera is that thing, and then there we see a few years later looking like that with a flash and a microphone, because this one didn't actually take video without a third-party application, and we'll have a look at the camera apps in a moment perhaps. Okay, so this one, yeah, we still got the ringer switch. You can see the camera bump. That is in no way flush with the body of the phone. Separate up and down SIM tray. This is the international version. USB-C, which is the main reason I got this phone, well, probably the only reason. Microphone, speakers, whatnot there, power button, and a much more iterated finish and phone, but as a first iteration, or first public iteration, you know, this is not terrible. The famous home button, which is obviously long since gone now. So let's get them powered on. Not sure how long this one will last, the original, in terms of holding a charge. Guessing it may take it a while to fully boot. So here we go, the 15 has finished booting, as you can see that. Didn't take it long at all. And if we see, so the camera's locked because it's first boot. Let me just unlock it so we can go in the camera. So camera app, this one. Yeah, so this has come to life. No SIM in here. The time is all wrong, but That's not what this is about. A slide to unlock. Don't know if anyone remembers that. Oh, of course we're on mute. So let's get the slide to unlock sound. Oh. Anyway, so camera on this one, and camera on this one. So yeah, you can see even the launch time is pretty bad. Got a 0.5. Yeah, so it's just to do a direct comparison of the launch speeds. I clearly didn't do that properly. Let's try again. So, you know, it's not that this is terrible. This is actually, you know, that's tolerable. Certainly was back in the day. You know, it's just that this is much more tolerable. But again, you can see it's not, you know, not instant, but just very fast. Yeah, so that's basically concludes a quick look at this original iPhone. Is it 2007 or 2009? Whenever it was released, I don't really remember. A long time ago. Versus what the current one looks like, and yeah, it's all quite different, I think, but surprisingly familiar. Different but familiar. And isn't that a sign of good design?